Dear viewers, today I am going to show you another social search engine optimization tool that is called directory submission. So you see, firstly I am going to show you why it is important. Directory submission is important. As you see that after googling I have found that it is for page optimization and it is for attract a lot of traffic to your website or to your page and with high quality backlinks. So after that I have googled top social directory submission sites and I have found some, and I'll actually go to one of the sites step by step process. So stay tuned with my video till the end, otherwise you can't understand everything. And you see I have entered into the findmaster.com, and most popular social directory submission site is Dizla. I will open in another browser and I know about that. So you will see. So I will actually post two step by step process, and that will help you to actually get the things done for your site. I do have account with Dizla and I will log in here, and other directory submission I will do a lot more, but I will actually run them faster so that it won't take my video too long, very long. So you see that I logged into the Dizla and I select the topic computer and internet and in technology and regular listing for step second. And right now I am going to take the title from my video, from my own video, that is search engine optimization SEO. That is the keyword or search term, or you can say that with what words people search your video or your website in the login. So I keep it in here title, then I need to keep the video URL. So you see I copied it and pasted it in here, and in description I copy some lines from there and you can keep there. So that's how you have to just write it down, and down here I will write an HTML code. I will make another video for that, and I have created some HTML codes, search engine optimization. So with that it will show with a blue marking that it is another link, and that people click here and it will actually redirected them to another link. So right now I agree with the terms and conditions and I'll start continuing, and you see that please wait, and that's what the website says. Now link submission and waiting approval. Now the Dizla authority will actually approve my ad, and after then I can see my directory. Now findmaster.com, though it says publish your ad, but it's directory site. Right now I am going to create an account first, and in this site I don't have account, and you see a lot of advertising and some other characters that is in Chinese. Click here to sign up. That's the button you need to click. Right now 60 days free and get free trial today. You don't actually click those words, you just go to the username. You see that username, you keep your username and then continue. Then there is a nickname option, you can keep the same name if you want to, then continue. And email address, you must keep your valid email address. After then you see there is the biodata option, and that is optional, so I don't wanna fill up it right now. I have continued it, and phone number, that's also optional, I'm not gonna do so. So continue. Website URL, if you have website that's fine, you can copy it here. Since I don't have any website, I am going to copy my channel URL. So my channel URL is copied, and right now I am going to paste it here. and it is done. Right now I'm going to continue again. So you see, that's how the account is being created. This account is for individual, it is not for business purpose. So I selected individual, and right now the last part I need to write down my name, then password, then I have to confirm my password by retyping, then email address. After that I need to create my account if I'm not robot by clicking that I'm not robot button. Then you see my account has been created here, and I'm gonna save the password. Otherwise it is really tough because you need to keep track more than hundreds of websites. So the mail is in spam. Sometimes you don't find it in inbox, but okay, so you need to check in spam as well. So click the link and the account will be verified. Now my account is verified, and I'm going to publish my directory here for the very first time. So it is not in the inbox, it is in the spam. I found it in the spam, so just keep it in mind, sometimes it goes to spam. So publish your first directory. I click the button in the right corner of the screen. Then categories is the most important. What category you are choosing, so you have to use your brain for actually seeking for that. My channel is about digital marketing, so I choose tech. After service I choose tech as the subcategory category. So you see, right now I'm going to give the title. It is 100 characters, that is, you see. So I copy the video titles, search engine optimization, SEO, then description, some lines from the video description as well, and I'll paste it there. And after then, as I told you, that HTML code I will copy from there and I'll paste there. I will make another lesson how to create HTML codes, and that will create a blue highlighting button, and that will actually a backlink. So after continuing, you see address, I'm not gonna change it. Continue. Then it will look for price. So since it is dollar, though you don't need to pay any price, just give any dollar you want to, a dollar number actually, not dollar amount. Now name and email address is a must, so you can't avoid that since it is start. So all the star buttons you can actually skip, then continue. After that, then what you see, like the last one, individual, and continue. And lastly free ad, and then continue. Though it's called free ad, it is actually directory submission sites. Now country, which country you want to run your ad. If it is in Bangladesh, you can run it in Bangladesh. If it is in America, you can run it in the America. Or if you don't select, then it will run worldwide. So I would rather recommend you to not to actually fill the country and region and city site if it is not specific. Okay, so if it is specific, if you want to target a specific location such as Virginia, then you have to choose the country USA, then region Virginia. Right now I'm going, after continuing, adding image option has been shown to me. Now I'm going to actually select one of the images of my video, then I'm going to check the robot option. Then it is parking meters. Okay, parking meters selected, verified. Right now I'm going to publish my directory here. So you see my listing has been received and it will be reviewed. Okay, then if they like it, they will actually publish it. So that's how findmaster.com has received my directory, and right now if you want to, you can copy the URL in another Excel file. Okay, right now I am going to add in some other directory submissions. I am doing it faster. Just see, all the procedures are same. It is one for h1ad.com, another for classifiedads.com, and the procedure is same. Just see. Enjoy the music. So you see h1ad.com item successful, you see in that, and advertisearea.com I'm going to post same directory here, since I have no membership with that website. I'm going to create the same thing, advertisearea.com. so I'm going to actually skip all the process because all the process is same. You just see it. Okay, publish ad. After publishing ad, you see that my ad is published in advertisearea.com. Now I'm going to actually end the video, and you see so stay tuned with my channel, subscribe my channel, share it, and if you want to learn digital marketing and search engine optimization, I highly recommend you to watch my video till the end, and always keep sharing. That helps me, actually boost me to actually post new videos in the channel and to make you guys updated every time. So have a good day. Bye.